Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's unit is from Reshine. I have their 30-inch water wave unit. This is their closure unit as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, that's everything that came in the packaging, and this is how the actual wig comes. So we're working with 250% density as well. So you guys know this is gonna be amazing, and this hair definitely was. I love water wave hair in the first place, but this hair felt so good, y'all, like super good. So closure wig, I feel like closure wigs are really easy to install. So yeah, let's get into it. I tried it on first just to see, you know, how the lace was laying, how much hair I'm gonna have to plug, you know, things like that. So with this one, I definitely needed to plug and bleach my knots. So if you guys can tell though, like it's less lace than I'm used to seeing. So yeah, I don't know, that's just what I noticed. And then it had like lace that came in the packaging, so it had like two different options. I guess they're showing you like what options they have. But anyway, so I went ahead, bleached the knots, shampooed the hair. It did completely fine, amazing. I was super ready to put this on. So let's jump into my install. Of course, I just did glueless because that's pretty much all I know how to do. So yeah. And then I plucked the wig as well. I plucked a lot of hair, y'all. I think I kind of overdid it, but whatever. So I'm putting on my unit, putting it on, blah, blah, blah. And it was pretty normal. You know, I'm not the best at installing lace fronts. I say that all the time. So I'm not going to really explain how I do it until I get better. But, you know, practice makes perfect, and I'm trying to get there, y'all. So I cut off the little sides, you know, the little thicker pieces of lace on the side, cut those off. I know that part. And then yeah, I just got into it. You're gonna see at the end, I tried, y'all. I tried to do like fluffy edges. Oh my goodness, it was not working out for me. I just need to get better at installing. But this wig though, super cute. So much hair, so full. The 250%, 30 inches. Like, you know it. This is a nice wig. So definitely check it out below if you guys are interested. I love how this looked. Even with me being a beginner and not the best at installs, I think it still came out pretty good. So if you're like me, girl, go ahead and try it out, because closure units are easier to me anyway. So yeah, go ahead and try it out, guys. And yeah, I think that's it. I don't have anything else to say. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you guys have a question for me, please leave it below. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm looking for